Good morning, folks. Here at Pops, now we're checking this Cadillac for a bad either battery or alternator. Come to find out, battery was at 12.2 running. So definitely check into the alternator. The alternator is no good. Come to find out, the battery is 3 years old. So the battery has to go. Either the battery could have probably caused the alternator to fail, or the alternator caused the battery to fail. Very important for you to bring your car to me so I could check it out properly. And the first thing that most people do, they go to AutoZone, they buy a new battery, and 2 days later they're having to pay another tow truck because the car's still dead, because the alternator is not good. So let me check it out at 100 Obrien Road, Fern Park, 32730 and 407-857-8579. Thank you. This solar unit right here is our battery, alternator, and starter tester. We have completed the alternator repair. We got the battery charged. Right now we're looking at 14.5 volts. So job here is done. Customer's going home happy, and he'll go to Thanksgiving dinner with the brother. Have a good one. Why should you have this done over here at Pops? Well, that's exactly what we do, and that's mostly what we do is automotive electrical, AC, and air conditioning. We've been doing it for 29 years in this city. So, I mean, know of people that go to the dealer, and the dealer can really solve their problem. They don't know, or they don't have time to mess with that when they have other thousands and thousands of dollars jobs that they want to do. They don't want to mess with something that they don't know that they can make any money on it. So that's what we do. Now, another reason why you should come to us first, so we can do the right diagnosis. We can find out exactly what the problem is. We can find out what it's going to take to fix it, how much it's going to take, how long it's going to take. Usually a battery is dead, we go to AutoZone, buy a new battery. So $150 later, 3 days later, your car's still dead on I-4 because it wasn't the battery. It was your alternator that was bad. Or maybe the starter per se. So there's always wise. It's always wise to have us do the right diagnostic first, and then we'll start replacing parts. Good morning, guys. Joe here with Pops Auto Electric. After 12 years, downtown Orlando on Orange and Holden, we finally were able to move. As most of you know, moved Fern Park, 100 Obrien Road. We've been here now for 9 months, and it's been great. Love Seminole County, love the city of Fern Park, and our customers can get here easier, better, faster. The 417 right behind me, the 1792 over here, I-4, the Turnpike, I got everywhere. And from anywhere. All the way out from Ocoee, all the way out to Oviedo. Easy to get here. Thank you very much for all of your help and business. Don't forget, click the link below so that it can take you to the map on how to get here so we can help you. Thank you.